In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a photo in Etsy. Whether you're setting up a new listing or just updating an old one, knowing how to upload a photo effectively can really enhance the appeal and success of your shop. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to log into your Etsy account. Make sure you have your username and password ready. Once you've logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see the Shop Manager button. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to your shop's main dashboard where you can manage everything related to your store. From the Shop Manager, you'll see a panel on the left side. Locate and click on Listings. This is where all your products are displayed. If you're adding a new product, look for the Add a Listing button located on the top right corner of the listings page. If you're simply updating an existing listing, select the specific item you want to modify. Both these actions will lead you to the listing page. At the top of the listing page, you'll find the photos and videos section. This is a crucial part of your listing as images can significantly influence a buyer's decision. Etsy allows you to upload up to 10 images per listing, providing a fantastic opportunity to showcase your product from different angles and in various settings. To add an image, click on the Add a Photo button. A window will pop up, allowing you to select images from your computer. You have the option to manually select the images or simply drag and drop them into the designated area. It's a good idea to use high-quality images to ensure your products are visually appealing to potential buyers. Once you've selected your images, you'll need to be patient for a moment as the files upload. This could take a bit of time depending on the size and number of photos you're uploading, so don't worry if it takes a minute or two. After the upload is complete, you'll have the ability to reorder the photos. Simply drag the images into the sequence you prefer. Keep in mind the first image you place will be your main thumbnail, and this is the image that customers will first see. It's essentially your first impression, so make it count. Once you're satisfied with the images and their order, you're almost done. If your listing is not yet ready for the public, you can save it as a draft by clicking Save as Draft. However, if everything looks good and you're ready to showcase your item, go ahead and click Publish. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a photo to your Etsy listing. Following these steps not only ensures a smoother process, but also enhances the overall appeal of your shop, potentially leading to more clicks and sales. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling on Etsy.